Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can view your Facebook profile as someone else. It's really easy and it will take less than a minute to do so, and the best part of it, it really doesn't matter if you're using Android or the iPhone because the process is pretty much the same. So first, of course, open Facebook app and then click on three horizontal lines that is on the bottom right if you're using iPhone, and these lines will be on the top right if you're using Android. And then you will end up on this page, and then press on see your profile that is on the top, and then click on three little dots that is next to a add story button on the right side, and then press on view as. And as you can see here, you can now view your profile as a stranger. All right, so this Facebook account is recently created, so there is not a lot of information, but as you can see here, this content on your profile is public, so this means strangers will see this content if the stranger is not friend on my Facebook. So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.